Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to end the session on ParkMobile. Now ParkMobile is a parking app which helps you to park, pay and go in a very easy steps. Now if you want to end the session quickly on ParkMobile but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you are using ParkMobile to pay for your parking and you'll need to enter your session to stop the charges. If that is applicable, then you may simply open the ParkMobile app on your device. So if you have not installed it, you may install it from App Store and make sure that you are logged into your account. So this is the homepage of ParkMobile, where you will see various options on the bottom taskbar like activity, park, reserve, settings and all other things. So you need to click on the option of active session, click on the option of activity, and here you will see the option of active, upcoming or history. Under active session you will see the various active session of your parking which you have done. So you need to select the current parking session you want to end, and if your location allows manual session termination, so click on the option of end parking or stop session. So after doing all of it, you need to wait for the automatic expiration. So some locations do not allow the manual session termination, so in that case your session will automatically end when the prepaid time expires. So check the app for details about your specific parking zone, or you may also call the ParkMobile support. So if you are unable to end the session through your app, you may simply call the ParkMobile customer support and you may simply end the session like this. So that's it. That's how you can end the parking session on ParkMobile app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.